morning, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2299th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, remember, there's one thing that we use as a motto here. Everybody knows it, everyone says it, and it really does help if you listen to the words and repeat them for yourselves. So if you're ever stuck in a bad trade and you're getting ready to hit that keyboard and change a stop for no reason, or take a profit before the profit objective because you're winning instead of losing, if you're going to do anything that ruins the trading plan, instead of hitting that keyboard, say this to yourselves over and over again, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. If you live by that and you can control those fingertips, you might end up just doing all right. Did we? No, we lost money in crude on Monday, and we didn't get filled on that whole big upswing this morning. We caught a lot of it. We had a great trade. All last week we had great trades, and we caught a big piece of it on Friday, but we didn't get long. They didn't fill our long orders in the Nasdaq, Russell, or even the S&P. And we ended up short a big rally in crude, but it rallied even higher than that and stopped us out. And that was Monday. But the OMNI sure did have the markets called correctly as far as that big drop and then the rally coming out of it, right? Congratulations to OMNI for calling the stock market right last week into this week. So, for trading on August 24th, 2021, which is a Tuesday, we've got a bunch of stuff on the board. Just know about risk. There's always risk in trading. It doesn't matter what you do, where the stop is. If you're long options, short options, there's always going to be risk in trading. So know that. Put your stops in first, and don't believe anyone when they tell you they have a foolproof plan. All right, so we can get close on most occasions. I put a chart in front of your eyes last week, Thursday night for Friday, and I said, I don't care about this big drop that's happening. I'm calling bull S-H-I-T, sugar honey iced tea. I'm calling bull sugar honey iced tea on this market, and it's going right back up. And boy, it sure did, huh? Did you see that thing take off? You gotta love it. Now, yes, that was the right call to make, but when this turn, meaning the stock market, ES, and the Russell, the Nasdaq, boof, just became the leader once again. So number 2 on the board, Nasdaq now leading the way. And I love that. And then number 3 on the board, I think you're going to really like. It's a nice looking chart. Service Now, NOW, through the roof. Chart looks great. So I'm going to show you those charts in just a moment. Remember, come to livewithoscar.com. It is free, no credit cards. Join me in my live trading room. I spend my life there. That's why it's called livewithoscar.com. It's like livewithoscar.com. So come join me there. I hope to see you. And remember, there's still one seat that I have not approved at OmniCamp. I've got an OmniCamp coming up in about 3.5 weeks. Time is ticking. You have to make your reservations now so I can prepare for you if you're coming out to camp. Remember, OmniCamp, it's 4 days. You're coming in on Thursday night, going to sleep early, and we're going to work all day Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. You with me in my home office. There's one open ticket. I only accept 5 maximum. There is one open ticket now. If you want that to be you, hurry up and call me. Do that now, 702-629-4755. Or just go to Omni Bootcamp and fill out your application there. And I will certainly call you as time is ticking. Traders, with no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Traders, the E-mini S&P, and if you remember Thursday night, I said it is time to get back on your horses because I am calling BS. Bull sugar honey iced tea on this one. It is going right back up. I pointed out the average that always holds, that line that always holds, and the Omni was bullish. And from here where it sat, this is what happened so far. Might seem small to you, but there was a huge fortune of money that changed hands between the day Omni got bullish and where we are right now. A huge fortune of money changed hands there. Now, S&P is basically challenging its previous highs right now, right? Never a spot that you just want to run in and buy long. So you could look at something like the Russell. Hey guys, remember knock, knock, knock? I didn't even bother putting this one in as I illustrated, but we left it there. Knock, 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 knock. It's going to break through. Well, look what it did. Broke through. See you later. But now, on its way back up, and it's interesting, it's through that knock, knock line, and it sits right here. You got to love that with a bullish Omni. So maybe we'll get lucky and grab some Russell tomorrow. And if not, look at the Nasdaq. It bested the flat top, that Nasdaq, as I like to call it. It is blown through the flat top and is now the leader of the U.S. indices. Bounced right off the average and just exploded. Love the fact that it took out stops through these highs. Now we need one more day confirmation, and we know we are on our way. Let's hope we get that confirmation for trading tomorrow. And then finally, there's this, ServiceNow, N-O-W. It made a high, came off, did its thing, made another high, came off, did its thing, has bested that high, and has some, right now, if you ask me, it's got some pretty good propulsion underneath. Looks like it wants to go higher. Omni is bullish, so the bull sign is in place for ServiceNow. Keep this in mind, kids. We never just jump in and buy anything. When I recommend the buy, let's say the market closed here, I expect the market to dip down to a specific level where I can then get long. Then we expect the upside. We don't just jump in because Omni says to get long. That's not the way we play this, okay? We expect it to get to an Omni level that makes sense where then we can buy, and away, hopefully, we go. ServiceNow, check it out. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.